This is my website over Indiana State history, my theme for this year, and I created my website using Wix because I believe it was the easiest website to use and sort of the most customizable and accessible for students and parents. And so this is the home page. These are my four tabs. You can see up top I have home, students, parents, and teachers. And so this is the home page, and you just have a brief intro here. It tells you what the theme is, Indiana State history, with the seal of the state of Indiana. And then up here you have Mr. Rocky's classroom, which just gives students or people an idea of what this is for. And then going down here on the home page, we have two pages connected here. One is upcoming assignments, and it has you can list whatever upcoming history, and then announcements right here, and I just put a field trip announcement. And then on the bottom of every page here I have a contact information sheet where parents can send me a message, and it also has my email and phone number. Then you go over to the students tab, and you'll see here for students to use to find out more about Indiana State history, and these are the resources that I would use in class for this theme for different projects. And you have the History Museum of South Bend here that has a lot of information, and an encyclopedia link, and both of those you can click on them and it'll take you there. Here's an Indiana Fast Facts thing I just thought would be good to put in. And then down here you have a thing about the Indiana Wars, all the wars that have taken place in Indiana. And this would be one of the lessons you learn for Indiana State history in 4th grade. And here I've given two video links of wars and that have happened in Indiana, and videos that are helpful for that. Then you go over to parents section, and this just gives expectations for the parents and the student that I have set, and also way right here, information on how parents can check students' grades. And then the last tab I have is for teachers. This is mainly for other teachers, maybe other 4th grade teachers or other teachers who are wanting to teach Indiana State history. And this just has a document attached here to the 4th grade standards that show you what is required for Indiana State history. And up here I have my email attached also, so parents can email me. And that is so far what I have. That's pretty much it for my website over my course theme. Thank you.